Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is roasted sweet potatoes in the air fryer. Sweet potatoes wedges, so easy, delicious and nutritious. Stay with me to see all the steps. First of all, I wash my sweet potatoes. I soak them in the water for a few minutes, then I washed the skin really good. Now I cut them into wedges or pieces, like however you like the size of the pieces. This sweet potatoes is small and also fresh. It's easy to cut. It's not hard. I will cut all the sweet potatoes. This recipe is very easy but delicious and nutritious. After I cut all my potatoes, sweet potatoes, I add some olive oil to coat all the sweet potatoes. It's very simple. Salt to taste, depend on the quantity of sweet potatoes that you have. Some black pepper, also depend on the quantity that you have here. And some garlic powder. Also I will roast a head of garlic in the air fryer since it's on anyway. Mix everything until all my sweet potatoes wedges are coated with the olive oil and spices. Now I put it on the air fryer basket, all sweet potatoes. And I will roast it in 400 degrees Fahrenheit for half hour, 30 minutes. And don't forget, halfway you shake it and you turn it around. Like after 15-20 minutes you have to shake it again and turn sweet potatoes to the other side, like that all of them get roasted in the same time equally. Let's see how my sweet potatoes are roasted at good here. This is after half hour. All of them done, roasted, soft from the inside and crispy from the outside. You can eat the skin too because we clean it. My garlic was roasted too. I will use it for other recipes. And that was the recipe for today. So easy, delicious and nutritious. You can serve it with other vegetables or with a piece of fish or chicken. It doesn't take no time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video and this recipe, and see you next time in a new video, a new recipe. Thank you.